Welcome back to another episode of Greg's Great Deals. I am your host, Greg, and today we are offering the Raptor 2, both 3-wheel and 4-wheel, in an open box model for a discounted price. The Raptor 2s are made by Pride Mobility, part of their Baja line. Either the 3 or 4-wheel, you're going to get a 400-pound weight capacity. They both offer the 16-inch tubeless pneumatic tires, and as well as a maximum speed. These ones are fast. You're going to get between about 13 to 15 miles per hour on either of these. 4-wheel, you can get at the very least, you're going to get 15 miles per charge, and could get up to 20 miles per charge. So they've got a great speed, great range as well. 3-wheel, you're going to get between 19 and possibly to 31 miles per charge. So both excellent scooters. We have 2 open box models, one of each 3-wheel or 4-wheel. For more information, call Automobility Store 800-431-3183. And don't forget to subscribe and comment below.